Mm. Like a freeze-dried rose, you will never be what you were to me in memory. But if I listen to the dark, you'll embrace me like a star, envelop me. Things got real for me down here. Promise to take me to before you went away, if only for a day. Things got real for me down here. Promise to take me back to the tune we played before you went away. And if I listen to the sound of your words, sometimes I hear your smile and breathe your light. Yeah, if I listen to the sound of your words, you're my mystery, one mystery, my mystery, one mystery. My silence solidifies until that hollow void erases you, so I can feel it all. But if I never felt again, at least that nothingness will end the painful dream of you and me. If things got real for me down here, promise to take me to before you went away, if only for a day. Things got real for me down here. Promise to take me back to the tune we played before you went away. And if I listen to the sound of your words, sometimes I hear your smile, breathe your light. If I listen to the sound of your well, and now before some stranger's face, well, I never have the courage or belief to trust this place. I dropped my head 'cause it felt like lead, and I'm sure I felt your fingers through my hair. And if I listen to the sound of your words, sometimes I hear your smile, breathe your light. If I listen to the sound of your words, sound of your words. Such a beautiful song.